So I ordered from Korean Mall, and it came in this cute little box. I ordered both versions of the BTS You Never Walk Alone, and I pre-ordered this, so it should come with the standee, the posters, which are right here, and of course both versions. Let's see, do this later. I unwrapped these beforehand, but I don't look inside, because it's just too hard to do it with one hand. I forgot which version is which, though. This is probably the right version. And I'm just going to unbox and see what photo card I got. And there should be a stand-in in both of these. Oh, it's already coming out. Jungkook! Look at Jungkook! Oh, it's so pretty. I honestly didn't care which photo card I got because they were all pretty good. But he's so cute. Oh my gosh. Why are you so cute? He really does look like a bunny. I gotta say, he looks like a bunny. Yep. Aww. So cute. Oh my gosh. Okay. I need to calm down a little bit because I can't. Oh my god. I'm just gonna put this. And then the next version, I believe. You Never Walk Alone. Korean Mall shipped these pretty well. There's no damages or anything. It took about a week or so to get here after the release came out. Oh. Put the photo card here. BTS thing. Same standee. I was hoping a different one, but it's totally fine. I'll just use one. Here. BTS with love. Oh, it's all of them. Oh my goodness. This is so cute. You guys, stop. My main biases are Jimin, J-Hope, and Taehyung. But I don't mind the rest of them either. They're so cute. Oh my gosh, look at Suga. He's so cute. I can't.